Hello, my name is Rob Baldwin, and I am a professor of conservation biology at Clemson University and endowed chair. I worked with Paul Leonard for many years, and I'm very pleased that he is being offered the Dwight A. Holder Award from the Clemson Institute for Parks. Paul Leonard is one of those unique public servants who care more about the land than they do their own careers. Even so, he has had a remarkable career in the few years since he graduated from Clemson. As a scientist for the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, he has applied his understanding of landscape ecology and conservation biology to complex problems surrounding climate change, native peoples, wildlife migration, and energy extraction. Paul has made an early impact as a researcher. I'll never forget his weekly sessions at Nick's Bar and Backstreets with computational scientist Ed Duffy, and how that led to their groundbreaking collaboration on supercomputing as a means to overcome problems of analyzing conservation options over vast areas of land at a fine enough resolution or grain size to be useful for land use decisions. Paul left Clemson with a legacy of important contributions in high-quality journals, including mapping of ephemeral wetlands, protected areas research, sea level rise and habitat connectivity, and in overcoming computational limits for conservation problem solving. I really enjoyed being Paul's advisor. Aside from his scientific prowess, he is a terrific mandolin and guitar player. Still, when we see each other today, music is always involved. Not to mention, we both love to sail, and while at Clemson, he crewed on the infamous Pig during hotly contested races on Lakes Kiwi, Hartwell, and Murray. Paul is a terrific colleague, a good listener, and always there to help a friend. When he was GIS TA, his office was full of students looking for help, including many who were not in his class. Today, he explores the trails and waterways of the land he is committed to conserve. He is an avid birder, and like the birds he watches, will migrate again someday. We hope his travel lands him somewhere near here, if only for a stopover. Congratulations, Paul, for having been selected by the Clemson Institute for Parks for the Dwight A. Holder Award that emphasizes original new insights for land management and for scholarship.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank the Institute for Parks, the Hartzog Fund, the Awards Committee, and to honor Dwight Holder for setting the example for this award. I'd also like to congratulate all the other award winners this year for the amazing work that you have done and are doing. My time at Clemson was very special, and I'd like to thank my friends, colleagues, and mentors for helping shape my professional life in many ways. It was special thanks to Dr. Robert Baldwin, who was influential in all of these roles. From the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains to the coastal plain of the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, I've spent the last few years in some pretty amazing places. So I want to take an opportunity to share some of the beauty of Alaska with you now. I work exclusively in Arctic domains now, surrounded by the second largest tract of wilderness in the United States. The Arctic Wildlife Refuge itself is about the size of South Carolina, but has only 250 residents as opposed to 5.1 million. This area hosts mostly intact and functioning ecosystems and is home to native Alaskan villages filled with the proud Inupiat and Gwich'in peoples. This area sees one of the last great terrestrial migrations, with hundreds of thousands of caribou moving across it. From the majestic peaks of the Brooks Range to rivers filled with spawning salmon, to wolverines, wolves, and millions of migratory birds. So I would like to thank my Clemson family for this award and also for helping prepare me to serve the public interest in this amazing place.